Guys, you're at Show Me Tint. Welcome. And this is my new Snap-on light. I just wanted to show you. You might have seen it before. Snap-on neon. I got this Snap-on thing. I don't know if you know, but I like Snap-on quite a bit. A little side note. My buddy sold his trucking company, and he's like, dude, I'm going to do Snap-on. And I'm like, that is the dumbest thing you're ever going to do with your life. And I know you're watching out there. I was like, and now I'm like his best customer. I literally love this stuff. I don't even know what I was telling him. Definitely going to Snap-on. It's super cool. I got a little rotating light in there. I don't know. Can you see that in there? Bougie, what up? Audio, I love that thing. That's super cool. I also got a cooler and a little car. I got all kinds of stuff. Anyway, enough about that. Let's tell you about the cars. This looks a lot like the one we did last week, but it's actually in for something similar. We're doing a full front clip, Ceramic Pro 5-year, and we're doing some window tinting, some Superman logos. This is my old boss's stuff. What's super exciting about this is when you see somebody from your past. We're gonna do the rockers. We're gonna do this piece. We're gonna do the window tinting. We're gonna put a Superman logo right here. We're gonna put a Superman logo right in there. Can't really show it to you because the door's locked, but just trust me, it'll be there. If you look right here, you'll see it. Superman. He's like my old boss from like 1,000 years ago. He came in, he was like, dude. I was like, hey, dude. And he was like, I know you're I used to work for me. And I was like, oh my God. Hey, Peter. You know, I told you like we were on a tight deadline and we're like, dude, we're down to the wire. So yesterday, the patterns were all off. We cut all the wrong patterns. So we're redoing it all today. Like, we're still gonna make it on time. We overnighted some material. So we're gonna work really hard. We're all gonna work as a team on this. And we're still gonna get it done. I'm gonna show you a video on time. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna pop it out. Yeah, let me show you a little bit of what's happening. We got matte. All this is a clear film that lets the factory finish. That's been popular this week. The Dyno Prism Tesla, this one. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna clean all this up. Today is hump day, maybe. We're working it out today. We're gonna be on it. I'm gonna be driving the train. We're ready for it. We're gonna knock this thing out. We're gonna kill it. I need Hunter's help. That's how bad. That's how you know we need it. Hunter knocked out this Ceramic Pro 5-year, put him some work on that. This customer's just keeping it dry in here because it's raining out here. We don't want it to get wet. And then this one, we ripped the grill completely out of it. We just grabbed a hold of it, yanked it out. We took it all apart. Hunter did this morning. We're doing a chrome delete, grill removal, so we can black all the chrome out on it. It's on a Lexus. So it's a super cool car. All these are gonna be black when you see it next. After that, we gotta put this baby back together. We gotta put the wheels back on. We'll get those Friday. And this really looks a lot like the Tesla, honestly. I really feel like it's crazy how two colors, like from two different manufacturers, end up at the shop at the same time. But this is a cool color. I think I got a bigger, brighter light. I think I showed you this on the Tesla. But look at this, man. Like, it has a huge color flop in it. It goes from like super high blue to purple. She's gonna be so hyped. I love that. Super fun, super fun. Anyway, we're just having fun, working on cars. It's fine, I can see fine. All right, what do you wanna do? You wanna go check out the tint shop, see what's cracking? We're gonna be working today. Carry on, Hunter. Yank it off. Don't rip the paint off. Customers hate that. Guys, we made it down to the tint shop. Everybody's on lunch, but I'll show you what we're working on. We threw some tint on the Dyno Prism Tesla, which this is all done. I'm hoping to get some shots in the sun tomorrow. We're gonna keep it dry inside today. We did a full windshield tint on it. We matched the fronts to the back. So that's super common. These are kind of tough windshields. He did a ceramic tint. See how like similar it is to that wrap? Two way different materials. You know, this is the factory finish showing through. I think it's crazy that they're both in here at the same time. Like, you know, that's the way it works out. Sometimes it's all like red cars, sometimes it's all blue cars. Never purpley blue prismatic cars, but yeah, it's the first time for everything. So this is just our regular tint jobs, man. This is our bread and butter. We've got, you know, a Durango and a little Kia. All these are going in and going out today. You know, like I said, we tint, man, you know, 20, 30 cars a day. We're just jamming them out all day. My guys are working. We wouldn't know it by now. They're on lunch. They're definitely not working right now. They're like probably working on a sandwich, I imagine. But I'm about to crack the whip, get them back down here, get them cracking again. Everybody's kind of moving their boxes around. We're getting ready to reorganize the whole tint shop. We're super excited. We're gonna kind of shake some stuff up. I've got this chrome delete going over here. This guy just stopped in and checked the progress out. We decided we're gonna go ahead and remove the handles. We're gonna remove these and get them auto flex. We've got a little bit of the chrome started. This is what it looked like before. This is after. So chrome delete. You know what I'm saying? A little glossy black. We'll pop these bad boys off and then look here. Looks what's missing. Same thing. Chop shop popped out. I used to call it chop shop when we do the wheels though too, but these wheels are already black, so I guess we'll leave them alone. You know, we're just having fun with it. It's a rainy day, but this guy, he's super hyped about it. He loves cars. He stopped in. He loves fixing them up. I'm excited to deliver for him. I can't wait to show him the finished product. I think he's going to be super hyped. Like, it's cool. You know what I mean? We're making dreams come true over here. No big deal. Look at that. Can you see that through the window? What about over here? See this over here? Look at this big paint protection project I have. No big deal. They're just waiting in the grass for me. No big deal, right? We got to do a front clip on that. Almost forgot about that one. Yeah, we're going to run up to I got one more bay to show you. We got a cool, like as a kid, it was one of my dream cars. So it's cool that we have one in the shop. I'll show it to you real quick. Guys, I wanted to show you this real quick. This is probably one of my favorites. This is a ZR1. I'm a bit of a Corvette guy. I wanted one of these so bad. This is just a super cool car. In the C6 model, it's like top of the line. Like, I love it. I'd like to have one of these cars. I just have so many cars that I have to be really careful because I can't sell any. I try, but I don't want to. You know what I mean? Like, people are like, oh, sell that car to me. I'm like, no, it's mine. So I've just got too many. But I'd have one of these. We're doing a paint protection. Ceramic Pro, this guy dropped it off early. He's like, hey man, listen, I'm gonna leave it with you. So what's cool, man, is around here you got like Bentleys and Mustang 5.0s. I got cars sitting all over the place. Just waiting for us to get to it or get to our service. And it's nice to have the areas to keep them inside, keep them safe. Hunter's keeping it dry for us. This 5.0 is a good friend of mine. She takes care of us. We're cleaning it up for her. I had the inside done for her. I had it all detailed out. Hunter's about to start the exterior. I'm gonna get it all done. I'm not even gonna charge her. I'm gonna throw it in and she's just gonna be like super pumped to get it. She didn't even know, it's a surprise. So hopefully she doesn't watch this video too soon. She should have it tomorrow. And we got a rock star packed week, man. I'm telling you right now. We have a lot of jobs going on. We have a lot of cool wraps coming up. I don't know if we need to tell them that the I don't know if you want to bleep that out yet, but that's a big thing here in town. He's a local business that helps out with disaster relief. We're wrapping his whole project. He'd got a wrap he wasn't happy with before, so he brought it to us to fix it and get some cool wrap on there. So it's a really cool kind of like, I don't know what you'd call it, like off-road disaster. Like, it's cool. It's big, it's scary, it's mean looking, and guy's super nice. So we're gonna get that wrapped up next week, and we're starting that anti-social project. So that's that Mustang RTR. It's a super rare film. I don't even know if you can get it right now. Like, it's super rare. So I can't wait to see that on. We're doing a bunch of projects that we're doing, like that Starlight headliner, some seats. Dude, literally, he's like, hey man, you mind if I send a couple things for you to do why it's there? And I'm like, yeah, dude, no problem, you know? And Braden, if you're watching, like, it's like every day I show up, there's another box at the door. Like, hey, is this for Braden's car? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm doing a lot of stuff. Like, I've got a bunch of boxes I got to put on this car. I'll have to tell you about it when I open them. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's fun. I love fixing them up. We're gonna get to work, right, Hunter? Got a lot to do today. Hunter's hyped. Hunter's hyped. Show me that hype face, Hunter. Yeah, there it is. Let's get hyped, baby. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you soon. Thank you.